So being into bugs, it messes with this thing. Because then I'm up here and I see a tree like this that's being all eaten. It's just totally being eaten by something, and I'm just dying to know what it is. Lorenzo, are you dying to know what's eating that tree? Not exactly, right?
We're going ziplining. Give it a break.
Give it a break? Oh, come on, man.
We're going ziplining.
Well, I want to know what's eating that tree. Look at it.
Caterpillar.
It's completely defoliated almost. Woo! Come on, man. Look at this. Woohoo! Hey, everybody. This is David Fine, and I'm with Keys Moths. We are in our part 3 of our Costa Rica adventure. The Fine family went down, and we had an amazing time in Costa Rica. Paradise on earth, y'all. We stayed at Villa Caletas Resort, which we'll link in the description of this video. Amazing place. All the moths you can think of, guys. We're going to show you some beautiful moths that we saw right in the balcony with our mercury vapor light that we brought. Put it on the balcony, plugged it into the outlet. All the moths you can ever think of right on the balcony. You don't even have to go out into the rainforest. Well, you're kind of in the rainforest, but you're on a like 4-star hotel. I mean, it's paradise on earth, guys. Tons of moths. Check it out. But also, we went to Los Sueños to do some zip lining through the Costa Rican canopy, and that was amazing, guys. Check out some really cool bugs and some zip lining adventure. Look, here he comes. Big old macaws right outside of our back patio. That's so cool.
It is really cool.
Super cool. They like those nuts, huh?
Guess so. You guys, that's the ocean. I don't know if you can see that well now. That's a bush. Those are rocks. And we're in the swimming pool, the main swimming pool right now. And I can't even this.
butterflies on it. Yeah. We're here waiting for our turn at the zip line. Okay. Lorenzo, you ready, buddy? All right. She's getting ready. Alright, I think we're ready. Look at this. We're ready. Here,
Ow.
we're ready. Natural zip liners. I'm just dreaming.
You have to.
Okay, Swenya. What are the first thoughts?
Awesome. Okay.
Okay?
Not as bad as they thought. Yeah, not as bad as they thought.
Yeah, these are the easy ones. We're gonna get faster.
Okay. Because I was like, that's really
You good, Sophie? You're hanging over the rainforest right now. That's it. Excellent. Yeah. All right.
Very good, David. Yeah,
Excellent.
I'll do it.
Okie dokie. Oh yeah. Canopy. There's butterflies. I just saw a great big green something. I don't know what it was. It was gorgeous. There goes Mama again. Lorenzo, what do you think, man? That one was fun?
Hands up.
That one was fun, right? Remember, never put your hands anywhere near that wheel, buddy. Hand further back, buddy.
Put your hand back.
Sylvie, what do you think of that last one?
Oh, that's gonna be fast.
Come on, you know this is fun.
Yeah, but the last one,
It was a little fast.
a little fast.
A little fast. Both hands in the strap, Sophie. Sophie, look at me! Woo! Hola, hola. All right, aquí vamos. Aquí vamos. Woo! Muy bien. So being into bugs, it messes with this thing. Because then I'm up here and I see a tree like this that's being all eaten. It's just totally being eaten by something, and I'm just dying to know what it is. Lorenzo, are you dying to know what's eating that tree? Not exactly, right?
We're going zip lining. Give it a break.
Give it a break? Oh, come on, man.
We're going zip lining.
Well, I want to know what's eating that tree. Look at it.
Caterpillar.
It's completely defoliated almost.
Oh, wow,
Something's
yeah.
eating it, man. Mama's gone. Half mile.
Bye-bye.
A half-mile line.
I'm nervous about this.
Come on, man. You good. You're good, bro. Real loud pura vida, man. There you go, baby.
Where's my glove?
They won't. He's still got pura vida right there. You ready for half mile? A half mile zip line.
Okay, my friend, remember when you get on the top of the roof down there?
When you get over the roof,
Yeah.
hit the brake. Okay. Oh yeah. Ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Bye-bye.
Pura vida! Woo! Pura vida! That way? Oh yeah? This way. Yep. Oh boy. What do you think, guys?
Again.
Do it again? No hands, Sophie. Woo!
We're here every single day, don't worry. Ready, sir?
Yep. No hands, right?
Freestyle.
Freestyle.
Yeah.
Ready? Woo! Okay. Whoa! Woo! So what do you think of zip lining?
Awesome. I would definitely like to do it again.
You want to do it again?
I'm going back.
But what did you think about zip lining? We just went a half a mile on a zip line.
Yeah.
It was fun?
Like 4 miles in total.
Yeah?
I think.
Maybe. Hard to say. Would you guys have fun?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
Horseback riding. Fast one.
Dude, really?
Fast. I think the fastest one. The farthest one was not. It didn't really feel that far. The farthest one.
That's because we're going the fastest. Right? Right? Got it. Well, I had fun. I think it was awesome. Not only do we get to see the canopy and see all the bugs underneath, butterflies flying around, but we got to have fun, got to have family going, and it was a good time. So, awesome. Ciao.
rolling. So we're leaving our hotel right now, and we're gonna go visit the Zephyr Palace right now before we leave, and I'm excited to go back home.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What was your favorite part about the trip, buddy?
Zip lining or going on the boat.
Yeah, that was cool.
Yeah.
Sophie?
Zip lining.
Zip lining? Say something, baby.
Zip lining.
Zip lining was fun?
Yes.
Yeah. Babe, what about you?
I really enjoyed coming to Costa Rica and seeing it. It's a beautiful country, and I enjoyed the hotel. It's being in the middle of the jungle, but also seeing water was a real treat for me, and just feeling very thankful and very joyful towards the Lord and all that He has done for the four of us and my mom. And we're just very we feel very humbled. We're able to save and have a vacation like this. That doesn't happen too often, so it's very awesome to have done it and do it as a family and be able to have our soul be refreshed and just focus on the four of us and my mom, of course.
Amen. So I would say that the Fine family is officially in love with Costa Rica.
We saw a raccoon.
We absolutely love this place, and Villa Caletas, the place where we stayed, it's been amazing. It's just absolutely gorgeous. You can see the view, the Pacific Ocean in the back. We've seen monkeys from here. We've seen macaws. We've seen toucans, tons of butterflies, tons of moths. So we're rested. We're ready to go back to the swing of things, and so adios from Costa Rica. Well, hope you enjoyed that video. We had a blast as we wrapped up our trip in Costa Rica. Guys, I just can't wait to go back. I mean, that was a few years ago, and I'm just dreaming about going back to the American tropics to see more of those incredible creatures. So, guys, like, subscribe, and share. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the bell for notifications, because when you hit that bell, we can tell we're back in South Florida. Plenty of traffic. This looks like paradise, but it's traffic. It's traffic. Guys, when you hit the bell, you'll get notified when we put out new videos. So hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and share us with your friends. And check out our website. It's keysmoths.com. Keysmoths.com. We have 700 species of Lepidoptera that we've found just in the Florida Keys in our research, and we're still going. We think there's another 100 more, so we're going to continue to look for them there. But you can check out photographs and videos of all those species from all those moths and butterflies. So guys, check it out. I hope you get out there and enjoy South Florida, and until next time, let's go find some bugs. Take care.